It is very important for one to have car insurance before using an automobile on the road. This type of insurance is just like any other policy that are readily available in the market. As expected, you will find many firms offering this kind of cover, therefore one needs to be very careful and alert when purchasing it. You must consider the following points first before obtaining a car insurance quote. One of the key points that you must consider is the firm that you will seek services from. Since there are many insurance firms in the market, you should ask for reference from friends and family who have used services like this before to get a referral. With this, you will get a name of a firm that is reliable, has a good status and has professional staff. The cost of the premiums is also another essential factor that one has to consider. The model and the depreciation level of your car determine the cost charged to a great extent. If your automobile does not have modernized features, you will pay a lesser premium. However, if one has an old car, you will pay a higher premium as compared to a new one because of its depreciation. Your age and driving history will also determine the cost that you will pay for auto insurance. This is because the younger you are, the less experience you have in driving. Thus, you are likely to be involved in accidents frequently due to lack of experience on the road. In addition to this, before you obtain this cover, you should practice good driving habits which will lead to a clean record of not being involved in accidents whether major or minor. If you have a blemish in your record, your credibility is low and thus the insurer cannot have total trust in you. This results in you paying a higher premium. You should avoid obtaining this kind of premium from companies that are new in the sector. This is because most of these firms advertise that they have deductions on their fee, but after a period, the fee hikes. The discount is an incentive used to lure you in their firms. Later you start paying expensively. Therefore, you should opt for a firm that has good status. Another factor that is worth knowing is whether the auto insurance quote that you get will also cover the driver in times of accident or theft cases. You should look for a company that covers the driver too, since he is part of the car. This will help you cut cost of any medical injuries if incurred. Even though finding car insurance is a tedious task, you need to scrutinize each firm that offers these services keenly so as not to end up with one that will delay when claiming you are for your compensation. With this cover, not only will you get compensation, but you will also drive without recklessness when on road to avoid you tarnishing your driving record that will lead to expensive premiums. With years of experience and a good driving record, why pay more for auto insurance when you have earned the right to pay less? Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.